Maker spaces are amazing places for kids to learn, but children who are blind and visually impaired, they need a special space adapted to their needs. So much is inaccessible to them, from the environment to the tools themselves. Popular coding programs are highly visual. Even the final product is often an animated video. With the Infy Makers Award, the Council for Schools and Services for the Blind can develop accessible makerspace modules to be shared with their 50-plus member agencies. COSB modules will break down barriers by using only accessible tools, like Apple's Swift Playground, plus provide training for educators and a blueprint on how to build a full day of exploration. So instead of using programs that build a video, we'll develop modules that create, say, a 3D tactile representation, or plan activities that use products that have been adapted by the American Printing House for the Blind. And we'll also introduce some of the new products that have been designed from scratch to be accessible. APH's new Code Jumper has a fully accessible interface and nodes that allow a child to physically track their coding logic. We believe this program will help level the playing field. It will truly give blind and visually impaired youth the same opportunities for creativity outside the classroom that sighted children enjoy. Thank you.